Hello everyone, Homo here, welcome back to another reaction. This time I'll be reacting to Chainsaw Man Ending 12, the last ending. And I think that after the TK1 thesis, the band I was most excited to see. This time we'll have Eve. I'm expecting a very chilling song from them. Not a hard song or not a headbanger song, but good and chilling song. And yeah, I think this is it. Without further ado, let's just check it out. Alright, you will kind of rewind the anime scenes. This kind of instrumental is so if it's their signature. Alright, Aki, Power, and Denji hanging out, just having a good day. I really wanted to believe that this is possible, but I don't think so. Yeah, I just say that more calm song, but definitely good. Yeah, everyone's still happy. It doesn't look like Chainsaw Man. Maybe I'm being too pessimistic, but and end with the oh good. Alright, this was kind of a compilation of them being happy and living normal lives. Kind of what Himino wanted for Aki. I do hope to see more of these slice of life moments in the anime. It's good to take a break from all the chaos. But in the end, we all know that what awaits us is pure chaos. So, yeah. Now I'm wondering if they will do one ending per episode in the next core or next season. I don't know. The amount of effort that they needed to put in this, and they would need to make 12 more endings would be crazy. And so, I don't think they would do this again. I would gladly welcome, but I don't think they will. Well, that's it.